Jeremiah Campbell here with Brickworks Property Restoration. Today we're going to talk about 3 considerations for repairing or rebuilding brick porches. When done right, your porch is going to be a welcoming aesthetic on the front of your house that's going to welcome in your family and your guests. No matter how well built your porch is, due to Michigan's extreme weather, it will eventually need to be repaired or rebuilt. Here are some things to consider if you're planning on getting done some work to your brick porch. Number 1, the cost to repair brick porches. The cost of repairs vary vastly. Depending on your footings, the size, the height, and what the materials are made of are going to affect the cost of your repair or your rebuild. One thing that we know for sure is the cost is never going to go down the worse that it gets. The problem's never going to get better and never going to fix itself. So time is in essence to save money when it comes to your porch. Number 2, what is the actual damage? Common damages on porches can be as simple as a loose step or cracked brick or a cracked mortar joint. More severe damage happens when we don't take care of these early on, which will lead to cracks in your concrete cap, foundations that are pulling, foundations that are sinking, and damage that are going to lead to a complete replacement. Number 3, the design of your porch. If you are unfortunate enough to actually have to rebuild your porch, this is the time to redesign and make this a focal beauty point on your house. We can add limestone, we can change the height, we can actually change the shape and size of the porch. So this is a great time to build your dream porch that you've always wanted. Finally, do yourself a favor, don't let your porch crumble. Give us a call today at 586-868-3234.